A small African village surrounded by golden savanna. There lived an orphan girl named Amina. She survived by collecting wood and begging for food, but her heart was always full of hope. One day, while crying under an old baobab tree, a strange glowing bird landed beside her. It spoke in a deep voice. "Why do you cry, child?" Amina was shocked. The bird said, "Your destiny is not poverty, it is power." It gave her a mysterious feather and told her to go to the forbidden mountain before sunrise. The next morning, the villagers were shocked. Amina was gone, and the sky was shining unusually bright. Because the talking bird was not just a bird, it was the guardian of her destiny.